Hi everyone, it's Maddie. Welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to come to you with a very exciting, kind of unexpected unboxing from the Chanel Coco Neige collection. This is one of the commercial collections that Chanel releases every year. They do many collections every year, so this is a non-runway release, and actually it doesn't show up in every store. I'm really lucky that my local store gets it, and I picked up some goodies and I wanted to share them with you. They're in this bag. So without further ado, let's get into it. I'm sure you can guess what's involved because there's these sticking out of the bag. Part of the fun. Okay, so first up, we have this item that my essay was kind of hinting to me about beforehand. Oh, hi. I have my little assistant here who just walked in. She's a 8-month-old dog, so she's still a puppy. Okay, in here is this beautiful Chanel little t-shirt. It's very over the top. Lots of people were posting about this on Instagram. Let me just get the tags out of the way. So cute, like a little graphic tee that looks airbrushed. And it says Chanel, and there's a CC in the heart. And then there's the cutest little Strauss CC on the back. So this is what you have to be careful with when you're washing it, because those stones will fall out. This retailed for $1,200 and I took it in an extra large. So that's the first item. And because my assistant's wandering around, I'm gonna put everything back in this bag, you know. And then the next item, this was unexpected. This was a surprise. But it's so cute and cozy. Coco Neige, so neige means snow, so it's like a winter kind of like ski collection. Like lots of the items in the collection are super sporty. So I got this pullover sweater, and I took this in a size 50. It has stars all over the top, and then the CC link, chain link across. This is silk and cashmere. There's also cable knit along the sleeve. And then there's a little CC here. And this retailed for $31.50. And let me just double check it's super, super soft, fluffy sweater. So it's 72% cashmere, 25% silk, and 3% polyamide. So 3% poly. I think to give it a little extra stretch. So sweet though. I love the star motif. It's just something a little bit different. Super cozy. And then the last part of this cute little Coco Neige haul, a little CJ, if you will. So Coco Neige, it's a really small collection compared to what Chanel normally does, where they have like 80 full looks in a collection. This is just, I don't know, a handful, like 15 looks maybe, and also limited costume jewelry. But I grabbed these earrings. They are, here, I'll show you. Little hearts with rhinestone CCs. Then it's like a kind of brown and pinky glitter enamel background. And I just thought these were so sweet. They're $700. So, you know, for all of the Chanel seasons, they have a letter like, you know, spring, summer is S. So for Neige, it's N. But it's one of the lesser known collections, kind of like Coco Beach, for example. Like it's not everywhere. It's only like in some locations. And so anyway, these were the little things that I picked up. I will try and drop in pictures of me trying them on at the store. I just wanted to do a really quick haul for you guys so you could see what I grabbed from the collection. There was also a really, really cute nylon backpack. It was like white pearlescent. I was super tempted by it, but I have my mind on something else. And Cruise is gonna be here before we know it, so we need to like I need to slow my roll. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this really quick video. I hope you're all having a great day. Please leave me a comment. Let me know if you got anything from Coco Neige, and otherwise I will talk to you later. Okay, bye.